So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a foldout insert for your planner. So first, you want to open the sizing panel. Then next, you'll see all the sizes available here. Some sizes are available as a foldout, others aren't. The smaller sizes are, which are the A6 Mini Happy Planner personal size and so on. Sizes such as the A5 size or the A5 wide size, as well as the classic Happy Planner size, aren't available as a foldout yet. However, that might change in the future. So for this video, I'm going to make a foldout for the pocket size. So let's click on Pocket, and then down here you see an option to create a smaller foldout or one that's bigger. Let's click on the smaller version, 1.5, and you should see something that looks like this. So the right page would be the front page and the left page would be the back page. So if you zoom in, you should also see those folding marks right here. So these are the marks that show you where you will have to fold the paper. You have them on the right side as well as on the left side. If we select a folder that is 1.0, so the double of the actual planner size, you see that this one comes with the folding marks as well. Again, this is the front page and here is the back page. Now let's quickly talk about the layout. If you're making a planner or a fold-out planner, you will have to try and choose a layout that has some space left here for you to fold the paper. So I don't recommend you to choose a layout that looks like this, where you will be folding within the widgets. If you can, try to choose one that for example looks like this one here, where you have some white space left for you to fold the paper. So this would be a good fold out, as well as, for example, this one here would work as well. However, if you prefer a layout that looks like this, something you could do to adjust it and move this first column more to the right side is you could go to Adjust Layout, and then down here you could make the columns wider, the first one. So now you've moved everything more to the right side, and now you have that space again where you can fold the paper. The same thing applies to a foldout that is smaller, a 1.5 foldout. So here you would go again to the layout panel, go to Adjust Layout, and again here you would make the first column a tiny bit bigger, so you have enough space to fold the paper here. You can also create your own layout. For example, if you would want to add a box up here, or divide this big box here into two boxes, you could go and change B to E, and then you could go to Adjust Layout and then make, I'm sorry, not this one here, this one down here, make the first row bigger. Actually, I think that should be 3.0, 3.3. Yeah, that should make it that should make the upper and lower box the same height. Okay, so if you don't like the gaps, the bigger gaps here, you could also as well as on the Adjust Layout panel, go up here to the slider and make the gaps a tiny bit smaller, like this. So if you're happy with your layout, you can copy paste the front page to the back page or the right page to the left page. So let's do that by clicking Apply Page Right to Left. Now, one problem we have here is that you see that the folding marks are exactly where the widgets would be. So to solve that issue, you want to select the left page, and then on the Adjust Layout panel, you can say horizontally flip the planner. So now you flip the planner, and now you have space again where you can fold the paper. So next, you just have to click and add widgets you like for your planner. If you're making a weekly planner, you might add a weekly schedule, and you could also add a to-do list, for example. You could also add a note section to write down your notes. Let's call this one to do, and down here maybe another note section. Let's just call it notes 2 just for this video. And I don't know what we should add here. Maybe lined notes. Notes 3. Okay. So let's say you're happy with your planner. You can copy paste it to the left page. Again, we have to flip the layout horizontally. So layout, adjust layout, flip it horizontally. So now that you've completed your foldout, you just have to click on Export Only PDF and wait until the download is completed. So click to download, and then here you go. So this is the front page. Here are the rings, and this would be on the back side. You can further also change up the styling. For example, you could add one of your saved styles, like this, or this one here. And then you could also, if you want, to create it in different sizes, such as the A6 size. However, make sure you always reselect the foldout. Okay, and now you have it in the A6 size. So again, just click on Export PDF, and it should export it for you. Then click on Download, and here you go. So this would be for the A6 size. Then just print the planner front and back. Make sure you set the print settings to 100% scale, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on Instagram or Facebook, and we will try to respond to your DMs as quickly as we can.